The reason I'm talking about this one today, everybody, is because it's something that everybody needs to know. It's not going to affect most of anybody, but there will be people probably in your life or someone in your family's life that could be directly affected by this. And it's just really important to know. So please check this video out. The Trump administration has directed immigration officials to dramatically increase the number of denaturalization cases they send to the Justice Department. Denaturalization is the legal process of taking away U.S. citizenship from someone who has been naturalized. Okay, historically, this has been used, but extremely, extremely rare. And for decades, the United States used denaturalization cases only in like very serious cases, like war criminals, people who lied about major crimes, cases involving national security. And in most years, the government, filed only a handful of these cases. Now, according to verified reporting, immigration offices have been told to refer hundreds of cases per month for possible denaturalization. Now, that is a massive, huge, that is insane, okay? I mean, look, the law hasn't changed. The Constitution has not changed. Oh, and courts do still require strong proof. But enforcement pressure has changed. And that is really what matters in this case, okay? Because when a government agency is given a number to hit, it changes how it gets things done. I mean, think about it. When you change the number on anything that needs to be done daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, things tend to widen in order to get certain situations or things done. I mean, instead of asking, is this an extreme and necessary case? I mean, the question can now become, what else can we find? What else can we do? There can be a lot of answers to that question that can really hurt a lot of people. So this is not theory. This is how incentives work in basically any system. So what does that mean for, practice in this sense? It means that old naturalization files can be reopened. All right. It means that even ones from years ago, just for a second look, small inconsistencies may get flagged, even if, there was no criminal wrongdoing of any type, right? This does not mean citizenship is automatically taken away. There's a process for this, but regardless, it's dangerous. All right. Every denaturalization case must still go to federal court. The government must, prove its case, and a judge must agree. But here's the part that many people miss. Okay, even if someone wins in court, the process itself can still be absolutely devastating, not to just one individual, but possibly a family or community. All right, there's legal fees, there's years of uncertainty, fear of losing the country that you call home. That is why legal experts are really raising concern, not because the denaturalization is new, because it's not, but because turning it into like a number-driven operation is technically new. We've seen this before with different types of enforcement, especially within immigration, actually. Enforcement is expanded with quotas or targets. The net gets wider and wider and not always, more precise. I mean, in the past, immigration raids were said to focus only on serious criminals. So that history is why this deserves close attention. As of now, there is no evidence of mass, denaturalization of innocent people. Courts are still technically a check, when it comes to this. The Constitution still applies, but the risk is structural. When you push for more cases, you increase the chance that people who should never have been targeted end up in a system. So this is not about panic. This is really about oversight and the fact that we need more of it. Okay, this is about making sure that rare, serious tools stay rare and serious. This is a story that is still developing, all right? And I will be keeping my eye on it, and I will keep you guys updated, because I feel like this is an attempt at the administration to develop a new weapon against individuals that should really not be touched by any administration for any reason. Thank you for watching. I am Jared Zisser, and this is Ring of Fire. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications to make sure you are informed about everything important in progressive politics today. And if you are looking for fact-based independent reporting all day, every day, follow me here on Instagram or here on Facebook. See you in the next video.